Tewiti. I'm from Cambodia.
And I am from Brunei.
And came from the Philippines.
I'm from Thailand.
I am from University of Malaya, Malaysia.
My university is University Bidang Darussalam.
I'm a student from Keridong Institute of Technology.
I'm a mechanical engineering student studying in NUS.
Lahore School of Economics that's situated in Pakistan.
My university is Mahidol University.
And I am studying at De La Salle University.
This is the 14th year that NUS Enterprise is running this summer program on entrepreneurship. We want to accelerate the learning of the entrepreneurial spirit and mindset among the students through an intensive 2-week experiential learning program that combines lectures, visits to interesting startups, guest speakers who are venture capitalists and successful entrepreneurs. Goal of the program is to encourage the students to learn about cross-cultural learning. They need to work with people from different countries, different cultures.
Using Japanese taiko drumming, using someone's confidence through drumming. In the duration of drumming, you can see how someone developed. In my opinion, I think entrepreneurship is about trying new things and going out to sometimes hit the wall to understand what works and what don't work.
They actually get to learn how to make it easier for persons with disabilities. They learn about compassion. They learn that, all it takes sometimes for innovation to happen is really just putting yourself in their shoes, thinking about, what are some of the challenges they face and then addressing those challenges. You don't need like a PhD or like huge amounts of money to create an innovation to make things more inclusive. It all starts with the heart and also just a little bit of your creativity with your brain.
During the program, I have met some people from various nationalities at Singapore who have the same passion and same ideas.
It really helped me to have a better understanding of entrepreneurship and also to get more ideas.
Get to experience a bit of carpentry, right, where they kind of experience the hands-on building, the hands-on making that happens at this village on a daily basis.
This program helped me get the network I needed to scale up my business, and it also gave me the information I needed to build modules that I could take back to the Philippines.
9 different human books to share their practical wisdom on how they can embark on their entrepreneurial journey.
My startup, which is a media and marketing firm, what I've learned is how to grow it and expand it and make it to a bigger level where you can be a big player in the market.
And also engaging the students to ideate their ideas and to formulate teams to pitch their ideas to real-world investors.
In Indonesia, social media plays a huge role in your business. So what my startup does is that we help businesses manage their social media, managing everything from like how their feed looks, their photographs, their captions, making sure that their brand's voice is cohesive.
Different culture but also different market opportunities in this thriving region and encouraging them to develop friendship and network among various ASEAN entrepreneurs so that in future when they start their businesses, they are able to leverage these networks to go after a pan-ASEAN market. And the program, I believe, has achieved its goal of really creating a multicultural, multifunctional background learning for the students. And we hope that this program will continue to grow and attract more students from around the world.